Japan's parliament is set to pass a resolution. Japan's parliament is set to pass a resolution expressing concern about Uyghur human rights as early as Tuesday, in a move likely to irritate China days before the Beijing Winter Olympics opening ceremony. In this regard, the Turkistan Government-in-Exile made a statement. We implore Japan's National Diet to join the United States, Canada, Netherlands, Great Britain, Belgium, Czech Republic, Latvia, and France in officially recognizing China's ongoing atrocities against Uyghurs and other Turkic peoples in occupied East Turkestan as genocide and crimes against humanity. The United States mulls evacuating Beijing embassy over COVID rules. Washington Times News. China's draconian pandemic control measures have prompted the State Department to consider evacuating American diplomats and their families from the United States Embassy in Beijing. The operating status at our mission in the People's Republic of China has not changed, the spokeswoman said. Any change in operating status of this nature would be predicated solely on health, safety, and security of our colleagues and their family members. China's Communist Party affiliated outlets called the possible evacuation from Beijing is a dirty trick, aimed at undermining international support from the upcoming Olympic Games in Beijing that start early next month. At the Foreign Ministry, spokesman Zhao Lijian said the government had protested the State Department notification of possible evacuation. Reuters reported that the U.S. Embassy on Monday asked the State Department for approval for the diplomatic pullout as China's government increased COVID-19 containment measures ahead of the Olympic Games set for next month. Embassy staff reportedly are upset that the Biden administration has been unwilling or unable to gain an exemption for American officials from China's strict quarantine rules. The rules include forced admittance to COVID clinics and separation from children. Altaber from East Turkestan TV News reported.